Well, I figured make a little video on the interior of the Ram. I gotta redo the headliner. Wasn't gonna make one, but hey, we're here. But what I did was took off all the fabric. You do that using care not to damage the fiberglass. I still need to take off all this foam here because that's a part of the headliner material. What I'm gonna use, so I was really prepared to make a video. What I was going to use, where did I put you? You dirty little bugger. Oh, there's so much junk. Cut. Uncut. Yeah, I ended up finding it in the first drawer that I looked in. But yeah, what I end up doing is digging at it with this guy. Usually helps whenever it's actually more dried up on there and in worse shape. Try and do this one-handed. You want to use a respirator doing this too, guys. Yeah, you want to get it down to that. That's fiberglass. But I got to do this whole thing. I'll be right back whenever I get about half of it done. Nightmare is over. This is bare fiberglass. It's all cleaned up, ready to put glue on. I'll show you the spray glue we're going to use. Uncut. Here's the material we're using. Spent a lot of time looking for this. I know it's the right stuff because it was the cheapest on eBay. But it's just a gray. They call it like a micro suede, which I kind of see that. It's kind of cheap, but it's what I paid for. They advertised 60 inches wide, which would have gave me just enough, but I measured it. As I was saying, I hope there's enough here because eBay advertised it as 60 inches wide and 20, or what was it? Was it 3-yard sections? I think. So ended up buying the 60 wide and two maybe it was meters. I can't remember. But anyways, it's not quite 60 wide. It's 58, and it's going to be really close going over this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find the center of this. I'm going to mark the center of this, and I'm going to line that up like that. And whatever happens, happens. We're going to make it look the best we can. But thankfully, them corners there, they are tucked up underneath the plastic. But that's not the point. You buy something as advertised and it's not what you get. I guess it's you get what you pay for, is what I'm trying to say, I guess. But yeah, this should look really nice. A lot better than that old tattered junk. But yeah, let's get her done. Okay guys. Okay guys, this is what you do. You get this all cleaned up. I centered everything because, like I said, it's smaller, or it's shorter than I was anticipating. So now I got to be sort of really precise with it. I got like not even a 1/4 inch play on either side, but I always use this stuff. It's a lot cheaper than the 3M, and it works really well. I think, what was this, like 18 a can, something like that. But what you got to do is you got to coat. Don't be stingy with it. Finger is tired. Come on. Try not to have any bare spots. I don't know why it does that. It sprays really nice, then it doesn't. Oop, nope, gotta go this way. Because I know what I'm doing. Ah! Okay. Now you gotta let that dry. It's not gonna feel. Well, it's about there. Well, that is because I did it like an hour ago. That's a lie. I didn't. With this here, I'm gonna let that sit up for a little bit, and come back to it. You don't want to stick these directly whenever they're wet. It'll never stick. So you leave them both tack up, dry, almost to where it's not sticky to the touch, and it'll. Once you put it on there, it's on there. There's no going back. So I'm gonna leave you guys here for a little bit, then I'm gonna put you on a tripod, and let's do this. Get this happening. Okay, ran out of glue. So if you do go to do this, don't be me, get 2 cans. But what you're gonna do here is all your holes and just cut it from, do that, corner to corner. Then I had to trim. But I went over to my brother's garage. He had some 3M Super 77. I don't think they make this anymore. This actual can, so it ain't gonna look like this. For what I sprayed of this, I do like the Permatex better, oddly enough. And this shit is expensive. Oh yeah, that's tacked already. So I just wrap it around. Put a little bit of tautness on it. Just a little bit. You don't need to, you know. Oh, I need to cut that a little bit more. Where's my razor blade? Oh, on the ground. Just a smidge. There we go. Yeah, then that'll keep that tucked up nice against that light. But there we go. Oh, there she be. It's all wrapped up. I'm not real sure how well I really did, but I ain't no upholsterer, but I could get a job done. And just toss this here. Don't look at that. But this is what I mean. I got this on both sides pretty much, but it gets covered up by plastic. But that's what I mean. That extra inch. Remember, that extra inch does make a difference. But yeah, it should look good installed in a truck. As for this brand new seat cover. I got brand new foam. I gotta do a little bit of work. So, as a bonus, we'll do this. I'm not gonna video it though, because I don't want to look like an idiot, because I don't know what I'm doing. So, I'll show you whenever it's done. And to finish the headliner up, pulled the ram back in. I actually put it in, this is about a week and a half ago now. But there it is. It's actually pretty nice. Does not match the sun visors. You'll have that whenever you spend the most you can on eBay material. There is a couple guys on there that you can buy samples off of and try to match them, or you could redo the head or the sun visors too, which I'm not that good, obviously. Oh, come on, focus, you dirty bugger. There, yeah, obviously I'm not that good, but then again, that was the seller's fault, not mine. But yeah, really happy with it. Just gotta finish putting it together. I gotta glue the light back together. There's 2 broken tabs, and put the center in, because I did the seat bottom, brand new seat bottom. But yeah, that wraps this video up for the headliner. Hope you liked it and learned something out of it, like proper English. But yeah, all right, have a good day. Dirty thumb.